Hello, Liberating Souls. This message is for Leo. What is your song message from Spirit at this time? What does the Leo collective need to know at this very moment? What song for them? Can I get a song for the Leo collective at this very moment in time? Leo collective at this time, what song is coming up for you? So we have I Caught Myself by Paramore. So when it comes to the song, it's all about catching yourself through the things that I caught myself. I should have stopped myself from something that from something that I should have never said. So things that you're kind of reflecting on, like different conversations and different, like I feel like it's conversations. That's what I'm picking up. Maybe recent conversations that you had with someone, or even like different relationships that you've had, intimate or friendships or family related, or even career. So just trying to figure out, okay, any clarifying messages. I feel like you are definitely reflecting on conversations, maybe something recent that just happened. Leo collective at this time, what's coming up for you? Okay, so we have the crown chakra. Ooh, we also have abundance, bottom of the deck, embrace change. Okay, so when it comes to, as you're reflecting, let's see what we have. What are the messages for? So being able to catch yourself from the different conversations that are coming up, and I feel, okay, this is it right here. So reflecting like, ooh, should I have said that? Yes. Okay. Yes. You need to speak your truth and speak through it with some courage and confidence. You said what you said. Okay. I said what I said. You said what you said. Right. And even though it might have hurt someone's feelings, the truth, let it be